Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of keto with a product that promises to revolutionize your low-carb cooking game. If you're looking to shed pounds, reduce sugar intake, or simply adopt a healthier lifestyle, you've landed in the right place. Over 125 low-carb, sugar-free and allergy-friendly recipes the whole family will love, by Brenda Bennett. Published by Victory Belt Publishing, Naturally Keto stands out as a comprehensive guide packed with over 125 recipes designed to cater to various dietary needs. Whether you're allergic to nuts, avoiding dairy, or just starting out on your keto journey, this book promises something for everyone. First off, what makes Naturally Keto the best in its category? It's not just about the recipes, although they're a major highlight. This book also includes a beginner's guide to kickstarting your keto diet, making it accessible even if you're new to the concept. Brenda Bennett, a renowned food blogger known as Sugar-Free Mom, shares her personal journey and expertise, ensuring these recipes are both achievable and delicious. From breakfast staples to decadent desserts, every recipe in Naturally Keto is crafted with simplicity in mind. Bennett understands the challenges of sticking to a keto lifestyle, especially when feeding a family with different dietary preferences. That's why she emphasizes ease of preparation and the use of accessible ingredients. Beyond weight loss, the ketogenic diet has been praised for its ability to boost mental clarity, stabilize blood sugar levels, and reduce inflammation. Naturally Keto not only supports these health goals but also encourages sustainable eating habits that can benefit the whole family. In conclusion, if you're looking to embrace the keto lifestyle without sacrificing flavor or variety, Naturally Keto is your go-to companion. With rave reviews and a wealth of practical advice, it's no wonder this book has become a staple for health-conscious households everywhere. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on products that could change your life. Until next time, stay healthy and happy cooking.